But let me tell you, this Pitaka case may be slim, but it's strong as a bull. Made from military-grade aramid fiber, which is thinner than a hair, but tougher than steel. And don't worry about those scratches, it's got a special coating to keep that pixel fold looking new. And let's talk compatibility. It's got built-in magnets to work with MagSafe accessories, and it plays nice with other Pitaka accessories like the Car Mount Pro, Light, Slider 2, Grip, and Card Sleeve. All that in less than a millimeter thick and only 21.5 grams heavy. Pros, we got plenty of them. You can choose between 3 variants, the 600D Black, Grey Twill, 600D Overture or the 600D Rhapsody. But it's got more than just fancy looks. The case protects your rear camera bump, and you can still use a screen protector if you fancy. Mic, earpiece, speaker, and charging port all got their own cutouts. The whole thing is slim, so it won't feel bulky in your pocket. Comes in a premium presentation box, like a gift from royalty. The aramid fiber construction gives it some grip, and you can still charge it wirelessly, no fuss. And here's the kicker, it won't collect lint like those silicone cases, and it's a friend of those MagSafe chargers and accessories. And it's got some screen lip protection too, wouldn't want to scratch that precious screen. Now, it ain't all roses and sunshine, we got some cons too. The power button and volume rocker are exposed, so you got to be careful with those. And, well, it's a bit pricey, can't sugarcoat that. No hinge protection, no anchor point for lanyard and no kickstand for those lazy moments.